Accident lawyer, a guardian of justice and advocacy. Introduction. Accidents can be life-altering events, causing physical injuries, emotional trauma, and financial hardships. In the face of such adversity, accident lawyers emerge as essential pillars of support, dedicated to upholding justice and advocating for the rights of accident victims. This essay explores the critical role of accident lawyers, their legal expertise, and their unwavering commitment to securing fair compensation and restoring the lives of those affected by accidents. Legal expertise and specialization. Accident lawyers are legal professionals who specialize in personal injury law. Their extensive knowledge of relevant statutes, case precedents, and legal procedures equips them with the necessary tools to navigate the complex landscape of accident claims. With their deep understanding of the law, they are adept at analyzing the unique circumstances of each case and developing effective legal strategies. Investigation and evidence gathering. Accident lawyers possess strong investigative skills and an eye for detail. They conduct thorough investigations to determine the cause of accidents and gather crucial evidence to support their clients' claims. This includes examining accident reports, interviewing witnesses, collaborating with accident reconstruction experts, and obtaining medical records. By piecing together the puzzle of events, accident lawyers build a solid foundation for their legal arguments. Building compelling cases. Based on their extensive research and evidence collection, accident lawyers construct compelling cases on behalf of their clients. They carefully analyze the legal aspects of the accident, identify liable parties, and establish a clear connection between the accident and the injuries or damages suffered. Through persuasive legal arguments, they aim to demonstrate negligence, recklessness, or any other legal grounds for liability. Negotiation and settlement. Accident lawyers possess excellent negotiation skills that enable them to engage with insurance companies, opposing parties, and their legal representatives. They work tirelessly to secure fair settlements for their clients, taking into account the full extent of their physical, emotional, and financial damages. By leveraging their knowledge of personal injury law and their understanding of the value of their clients' claims, accident lawyers strive to achieve optimal outcomes through negotiation. Courtroom representation. When settlement negotiations are unsuccessful or insufficient, accident lawyers are prepared to advocate for their clients in the courtroom. They possess the expertise to present compelling arguments, examine and cross-examine witnesses, and navigate complex legal procedures. With their persuasive advocacy skills, they aim to convince judges and juries of their clients' entitlement to fair compensation for their losses. Support and guidance. Beyond their legal responsibilities, accident lawyers provide invaluable support and guidance to their clients throughout the entire legal process. They act as compassionate counselors, offering empathy, reassurance, and a listening ear to those dealing with the physical and emotional aftermath of accidents. Accident lawyers ensure their clients are well informed about their rights, legal options, and the progress of their case, fostering trust and easing the burdens of the legal journey. Some additional information about accident lawyers. Types of compensation. Accident lawyers assist their clients in seeking various types of compensation, depending on the circumstances of the accident and the resulting damages. These may include medical expenses. Accident victims may be entitled to compensation for past, present, and future medical expenses, including hospital bills, surgeries, rehabilitation, medication, therapy, and assistive devices. Lost wages. If the injuries sustained in the accident prevent the victim from working or result in a loss of earning capacity, accident lawyers work to secure compensation for lost wages, both current and future. Pain and suffering. Accident victims often experience physical pain, emotional distress, and a diminished quality of life. Accident lawyers pursue compensation for these non-economic damages, aiming to alleviate the suffering endured. Property damage. In accidents involving vehicles or personal property, accident lawyers assist in recovering the costs of repairing or replacing damaged items. Punitive damages. In cases where the responsible party's actions are deemed particularly egregious or intentional, accident lawyers may seek punitive damages as a form of punishment and deterrence. Statute of limitations. Accident lawyers are well versed in the statute of limitations for filing personal injury claims. These statutes vary by jurisdiction and set specific deadlines within which a lawsuit must be filed. Accident lawyers ensure that their clients meet these deadlines to preserve their right to seek compensation. Comparative negligence. In some cases, multiple parties may share fault for an accident. Accident lawyers navigate the legal concept of comparative negligence, which assigns a percentage of fault to each party involved. This impacts the amount of compensation the victim can recover. Lawyers work to minimize their clients' assigned fault to maximize their potential compensation. Out-of-court settlements. While accident lawyers are prepared to go to trial if necessary, they also recognize the value of out-of-court settlements. These settlements can save time, costs, and emotional stress. Lawyers negotiate with insurance companies and opposing parties to reach fair settlement agreements that adequately compensate their clients. Contingency fees. Accident lawyers commonly work on a contingency fee basis, which means they receive a percentage of the final settlement or court-awarded compensation as their fee. This arrangement allows accident victims to access legal representation without upfront costs and ensures that lawyers are motivated to achieve favorable outcomes for their clients. Legal ethics and professionalism. Accident lawyers are bound by a code of ethics and professional standards. They must adhere to strict guidelines governing confidentiality, conflict of interest, client representation, and maintaining the highest level of professionalism in their interactions with clients, opposing counsel, and the court. In summary, accident lawyers specialize in obtaining fair compensation for accident victims by navigating the intricacies of the legal system. They advocate for their clients' rights, negotiate settlements, pursue litigation when necessary, and work diligently to ensure that their clients receive the compensation they deserve. Through their expertise, dedication, and commitment to justice, accident lawyers provide invaluable support and guidance during challenging times.